Hey, I'm Fish. I'm shooting with a GoPro Hero 10. Now let me tell you, I put my camera on charge, I had no problem. I guess I lost some battery power last night. Put it on charge, come back, take it off, still I got a red light. Now, do I want to get a GoPro Hero Mission Pro? I kind of said I wanted one. I placed an order for one for reserve. You get a hand grip. You know what I done? Hearing everybody complain, talk about 60 centimeters. What's that, Fish? Well, I'm standing here and I'm hand stretched. I gotta take my camera, do one of these, put it over there. And I'll be in. I just heard a beep. Long beep, battery low, lost my camera, repaired the file, here I am. That is how much I want a GoPro. I got a dead battery, and off I go. Well, it's super windy. Not a nice day anymore. Battery died on me. We hear all the natural sounds. You hear the flag going and the park's recreation, getting ready to clean up and all. And I gotta trash that battery. Off we go. You know, I got the Hero 10. I love its color science. I really do. But people out there basically told us that it's not the same anymore, the new Hero camera. But you want a Hero 13. They dropped that price down $80. So maybe that camera come down to $200. And that'd be something to get. You can't have all the cameras in the world and expect to do everything. Well, enjoy. GoPro will get you going again.